Welcome to our guide on how to save money when using public buses in Mexico City, one of Latin America's largest transit systems. Mexico City has an extensive bus network with multiple services including Metrobus, RTP, and microbuses, each with its own fare structure. Tip number 1. Get a Metro card. This reloadable card works on both the Metro and Metrobus systems, eliminating the need to buy single tickets and offering free or discounted transfers. Tip number 3. Plan multimodal trips. Combine Metro, Metrobus, and RTP buses to take advantage of free transfers between some metro lines. Use apps like Move It or Google Maps to find the most cost-effective routes. Tip number 4. Avoid peak hours when possible. Some services charge higher fares during rush hour, especially microbuses. Traveling during off-peak times, such as early morning or midday, can save both money and time. To summarize, save money on Mexico City buses by getting a reloadable Metro card, using RTP buses, planning multimodal trips with apps, traveling during off-peak hours, and taking advantage of available discounts. We hope these tips help you save money on your travels through Mexico City. Visit our store at payhip.com/lotusnest for more travel guides. Thanks for your support.